you guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be cleaning my fridge. We are basically deep cleaning today. To be honest with you, I don't normally do the deep cleaning part. I do clean the fridge on a regular basis, but the deep cleaning part I don't do it very often, which I should. I know, yes, I'm guilty, but I decided let me just do this before all the holidays start, and most probably I'll also again just get to deep clean it after the holidays. But yeah, let me just stop rambling and let's just get into it. Okay, so here I was using this Scotch Brite pad and sunlight liquid just to give this a real deep clean, you guys. I just didn't want to only just use the handy and a dishcloth only. I decided that no, let me just bring in something that just is gonna get in there and scrub everything down. So I did that, and yeah, it worked. Okay, so I also decided to use this steam mop, but I used a small attachment in the front just to use for blasting the steam into the small crevices that I couldn't use anything else. I tried using a toothpick, and I couldn't get in there properly. So I thought that the steam blast would really help, and yeah, it did, you guys. So this right here, you guys, this is real life 101. Look how dirty this fridge was, and most of it, it's some type of mold. And this fridge, you guys, it's been, I think, 9 years already, I've heard it, and it's still going strong, and I'm not planning on changing it just as yet before we can get to finish the house, especially the kitchen. So I'm gonna go with it as far as I can go, and then when the kitchen is done, then I can just get new appliances altogether. But yeah, one of those things. So moving on, I am putting back all the stuff that I took out of the fridge whilst I was cleaning it on the side before I can move on to the door. Okay, so when I was done cleaning this door, I moved on to cleaning the condiments holders, but that I did off camera, sorry. And I did close the fridge whilst I was doing that, and now that it is done, I had to wipe it down and remove all the water and put back all the condiments again. But first I had to also clean them down because some of them were a little bit gross, especially on the top. you can't really say that you have deep cleaned the fridge if you leave the outside of it still dirty. I had to also give this a scrub down because it had fingerprints, it had marks, you know, just from daily usage. But yeah, I had to also clean that out and make sure that everything is nice and clean. So now my fridge is clean, you guys. I'm so happy. The only thing now that needs to be done is just to make sure that I get some more fruits, especially for the children because they love fruits, and I get more food supplies, you know, just because now I even have space, because I had stuff that was already off in the fridge that I had to throw out. But yeah, now it's clean. It just needs more food for my kids and my family. And yeah, you guys, anyways, thank you so very much for watching this video. I hope you really did enjoy it, and if you haven't done so already, please do consider to subscribe and do click on the notification bell as well, so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And my subbies, thank you so much for the support, squad. I'll see you on my next video.